Hey guys, it's Mr. Burnfin. I know this is completely different circumstances than any of us have ever faced before. You are the first wave of high school students to ever be asked to receive their education through online means only, and there's no one better equipped to do it than you and your classmates. You can do this, and I'm going to be here every step of the way to help you through it as much as I possibly can. So what I'm going to do with this video is kind of show you the first things we're going to be working on this week, tell you what to expect going forward, and how to get through this first week together. So here's the plan. We will continue speech class the best way we can online, utilizing all the tools we have gone over previously, Google Classroom, Notability, Flipgrid, and potentially a couple more we haven't used. But we'll talk about those once we get to it. I will be as available as possible to you if you ever need any questions, and I have 2 hours of office time each day, listed above. That's 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. and 1:30 to 2:30 p.m., during which you are guaranteed to be able to reach me. In addition, every student should sign up for Remind, where you can reach me through text messages instead of email if you're more used to that or comfortable with that. You can find those instructions here under what to expect here on your Google Classroom. If you open that up on your side, you'll just text this number to 81010. Okay, and you'll find a Google Doc here kind of explaining things as well. Obviously, Google Classroom, check Classroom every day. This is where you're going to find all your assignments for the week. Every Monday, I'll post that week's assignments, and you'll find them here. And every Monday, I will have a video kind of explaining what to do for each of the assignments. This week's a little bit different because I'll have an introduction just to the Google Classroom, what to expect, and then I'll have smaller videos for each of the 4 things we're doing this week. But again, we'll be using Flipgrid, which we've done already previously before when the informational speeches. We weren't planning on doing them before, but now obviously this is where we're going to use and film all of our speeches in post. Remember, we're still looking for professionalism. We're still looking for good tone and volume. Just because we're recording it doesn't mean we're not looking for that professional appeal. Obviously, Notability, there's a couple of different times where we use Notability, where you'll need to upload a PDF there to finish the worksheet and or click links to take you to YouTube to watch videos, that sort of thing. If you have any questions, please go ahead and text me, email me. I'll be checking in as much as I possibly can, and I'll help you any way I can. Don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks, guys.